Okay, number 13. It says the figure shows the graph of the function g and the line tangent to the graph of g at x equals -1. Let h be the function given by that thing. What is the value of h prime of -1? So this graph has nothing to do with h. This graph is g of x. Here's the tangent line, and they have given us another point on the tangent line. Now that may be extra information, but I'm just sort of taking it all in as to what I was given. This is h. My goal is to find h prime of -1. So I'm going to take the derivative using the product rule. So leave it, derivative, plus derivative, leave it. Now I'm going to plug in a -1. Oh, there we go. So e to the -1 just means that's moving to the bottom. G prime of -1 means I want the derivative, so the slope of the tangent line at -1. Well, here's -1, so I need the slope of this tangent line, and that is why they gave me 2 points, so I can find my slope. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can do this rise over run and just count. Looks like down 6, right 1. So slope is a -6. Or you can do the points. You can do y minus y over x minus x and get 6 over -1, which is -6. Regardless, the slope of the tangent line of g at -1 is a -6. Then there's another e to the -1, so that's going to be e to the 1. And then this wants g of -1, so that isn't about the slope. That just wants what the y value is of g at -1, and that's a 3. And then these are like terms because they're both over e's, so I can combine them and get -3 over e. All right, the last two problems are super, super easy. I just need to make sure that you know what the word normal means. The normal line is the line that is perpendicular to the tangent line of the function at the given point. So you need to make sure that you know perpendicular for slopes. You take the reciprocal and you change their sign. So write the equation of the normal line. So I'm going to take the derivative to try to find the slope. And I want to evaluate that at 2. 2 to the 4th is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. And 2 cubed is 8. And 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract that, that's a 48. So that is the slope of the tangent line at 2. So the perpendicular slope would be a -1 over 48. The other thing I need is a point. The only thing I have is an x value, so I need to find the y value. So I'm going to plug a 2 into here. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 4th is 16. So that gives me 17. So y minus y equals m times x minus x. So same process, you just have to do the perpendicular. So one more. Write the equation of the normal line. So first I'm going to find the slope of the tangent line. And I'm going to do that at -1. So I get 1. So then the perpendicular slope would be, change the sign and flip it, would be a -1. I'm at -1 comma something. I have to find the y value, so that would be 6 plus 1 minus 1, so 6. So then y minus 6 equals -1 times x plus 1.